The oldest cooking fuel is firewood in the form of logs and branches from trees. Often opted for as a cheap alternative, firewood is readily available across many regions. However, for Enoch Naga, one small accident in his student kitchen redefined the rest of his life. Paired with a potent memory of his grandmother struggling with traditional wood, Naga embarked on a resolve to find sustainable energy solutions.
As a student, we noticed that when we left class with power outages, it was really difficult. I got into the mindset of one day being able to think about solving the problem of electric energy. One evening, I was preparing food and inadvertently, the candle I was using in the kitchen fell into my food waste bin and it caught fire. When it caught fire, I thought, what is this? I became interested in this by discussing with my environmental chemistry professor. That's where he told me that it was okay. It's biogas.
Benin Biogas has set out to transform everyday biowaste into a powerful energy source. Under Naga's leadership, the company has built networks which now provide cooking and heating fuel to over 560 households.
We need solutions that the population really acclimatizes with and adopts the technology. You can see that we already do locally. Everywhere, we have masons at homes, and that's where we trained. We took teams, we started working with them, and in the end, we saw that by building in the ground, this allows us to work very simply, without machines, without anything, besides the waste that we already produce in our homes, on our farms.
And it's not just stoves. In some areas, compost waste production is so large that Biogas Benin is able to provide 24-hour off-grid electricity to surrounding neighborhoods.
On this farm, all the waste from livestock and processing will be recovered as a gas product in the logic of being able to power the ovens, the whisks for the ovens, the cooking, the toasting, but also produce electricity.
Beyond energy provision, plants owned by Benin Biogas also convert compost waste into high-quality fertilizer. This supports local agriculture and reduces over-reliance on imported alternatives.
So biogas will not only help Benin to be energy independent, to move to decentralized production, but will also strengthen Benin in the agricultural sector, which employs a good part of the workforce, the valid hand.
In a world that is grappling with climate change, the company's complete waste-to-energy cycle could usher in a renewed dedication to environmental stewardship in the country. Ian Kinywa, CGTN.